In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export everything from Evernote Desktop. First, open the Evernote Desktop app and make sure it's fully synced so all of your latest changes are included in the export. In the left sidebar, click Notes. This view shows every note across all of your notebooks, which makes it the best place to grab everything at once. If you're exporting everything, a quick shortcut is to press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all notes. If you only want certain notes, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each note you want. You can also use Shift-click to select a continuous range. With your notes selected, look for the three dots More Actions menu near the top of the app, typically above the note list or in the toolbar. Click that menu, then choose Export. You'll see format options here. ENEX is Evernote's native export format. It's the best choice if you plan to re-import into Evernote or move to another app that supports ENEX, because it preserves rich formatting, attachments, and organizational details. The single web page option creates an HTML file that's easy to open in any browser and share, though some Evernote-specific features may be simplified in that format. Pick the format that fits your goal. Next, choose whether to include note attributes. Turning this on preserves details like tags and created or updated dates, which is especially helpful for keeping your organization intact during a migration or backup. When you're ready, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a file name and a save location on your computer. Confirm, and let Evernote process the export. If you selected a large number of notes, this can take a little while. Just let it run until it completes. That's it. Open Notes, select what you need, head to the three dots menu, choose Export, pick ENEX or single web page, include attributes if you want, and confirm. You've now created a reliable backup of your content and made it easy to move your notes wherever you need them.